In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dot grid in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable dot grid background set up inside a frame, perfect for wireframes, presentations, or subtle texture behind your designs. Make sure you have a dot grid image saved on your computer. A small, seamless PNG or SVG works best, ideally with a transparent background so your grid can sit over any color. Start by opening your Figma file. We'll create a canvas for the grid first. Look toward the bottom of the interface and click Frame. This opens Figma's preset frame sizes so you don't have to type in dimensions manually. Using a preset keeps things tidy and makes it easy to design for common screens. From the preset list, click on Desktop. This gives you a standard desktop-sized frame, which is a great starting point for most layouts. You can always resize it later, but choosing desktop ensures you're working on a familiar, wide canvas where the grid can really show its spacing. With the frame selected, head to the right-hand sidebar. Under Fill, click the plus icon. That adds a new fill layer to the frame. Fills in Figma can be solid colors, gradients, or images, and we're going to turn this fill into an image so the dot pattern becomes the frame's background. Next, change the fill type to an image by clicking Image in the Fill controls. This tells Figma that instead of coloring the frame, you want to drop in a bitmap pattern. You'll see image options appear, which is where you'll bring in your dot grid file. Click Upload from Computer. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the dot grid image you prepared earlier and select it. Figma will immediately apply it to the frame. If the dots look too large or too tiny, open the fill settings and adjust the scale until it feels right for your design. For repeating patterns, make sure your image is seamless. If you notice visible edges, try a smaller tile that repeats cleanly. You can also switch the image fill mode and fine-tune how the pattern repeats or scales across the frame. If the grid is visually heavy, lower the fill's opacity so it becomes a gentle guide rather than a distraction. That's it. You've created a dot grid in Figma by setting up a frame, adding a fill, switching it to an image, and uploading your grid file. Save this frame as a starting point for future projects, and you'll always have a consistent professional grid ready to go.